So I thought I'd do a little video on a new toy that I bought. It's not this, but you probably won't guess what that is at the moment. And I'll start showing you a few more items. Just make sure I'm in focus. Yep. And then there's this. So just a plain tin, and then in it, okay, char cloth. I'm quite excited really, because I've never ever done this. Trying to light, I set in focus, to light a fire using steel. Is it flint and steel? So this came today, as you can see, not been used. I don't think, oh, but anyway, what's that? No, that's clean as a whistle. Look at that, not been used. I've not tried this, I've not tested it. Hope that's in good focus, is it? Because I'm in the house and the lights are okay. And then the reason why I bought it, because when we went to France many years, well, we've been to France quite often, but the last few years we haven't been. There's a beach and it's full of flint. So I'm going to take you outside because it's dark, and we're going to have a go at not lighting a fire. I'll do that tomorrow night, including in this video, so it'll carry on, so you won't notice. Well, you probably will notice, but we're going to see what this looks like in the dark with the flint and steel, if it works okay. All right, so let's go walkies. Okie dokie, we're popping outside. This is the emergency light up here, look. Doo-doo. I don't really need to lock the gate. Do it for the chickens. It's going to go pretty dark. Where are we? Right. So you'd have to bear with me for a second. So I'm going to sit you down on the table. I can't even see this. Right, so I've got you can't see this. Can you see my hand at all? So I've got the flint in one hand and I've got the steel in the other. So I'm just going to crack it against the flint. Right, okay, here we go. Ooh! I'm going to try this in the picture. Can you see that? That works really well. I need I need a more sharper edge to do it on. Ooh! Almost set fire to my own hand. Can you see that all right? Look at that. I didn't think this would work, you know. I need to get a better flint, and what I need to do is chop it. Anyway, so a couple more for you, and then I'm going back in and we'll have a go at lighting a fire tomorrow using the, let's say it was, char cloth. I need to get this sorted properly. Or am I doing it wrong? No. I'm just going to keep practicing, it doesn't matter. Oh, look at that one. I found a good edge. Look at that. Brilliant. There we go. Let's go back in and have a quick look, see how much damage I've done to the metal. Just that scoring? Not much. Tiny amount. I've got that in focus. Okay. Anyway, brilliant. And that's the bit of flint which is awkward to hold. So I think I caught it on that edge there. You can see that. There we go. So might trim that down a little bit with a hammer. And then we'll have a look at this thing. I'll put all the link in the description below, but we're going to make a fire tomorrow with it. So char cloth there, and that came as well. I think it was about £6. Never done char cloth burning, so really looking forward to that. Sad, aren't I? There we go, in focus. So that was a bit dear, I must admit. That was about £15, but it's been hand forged and there was a symbol on it, and I thought, you know, why not? And this was about, I think, £6 with that. So that was full, and that came as well. And the flint was in the garden, so that was free. There we go. So I will, not going to end the video. I will just say I will see you in 12 hours. Right, now for this testing with the fire steel, the flint, the char cloth, and I've made a little bit of a tinder bundle which has got to be dry. So those chickens don't get caught on fire. Right, so we're going to give it a go. So I'm going to get some char cloth, going to put it on top of the flint, give it a go. Really excited because I've not done this before. We saw it spoil. You haven't seen it yet, but when I put the video up, you'll see I did a bit of a test last night on it. in the dark. Right, just give me. I'll just get set up and get ready to go. Just don't blow away. Don't need a massive piece. It's quite big, isn't it? It's like, this looks like knicker elastic. Anyway, so let's take a look at that. I'm going to fold that, put that on top of the cloth, and I'm going to close that lid because if I get a spark in there, it'll probably all go up. So this is me. See that? The sharp edge. Ooh, not in focus now, it's focused on the ground. There we go. Oh, bet my. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Can you see that? Can you even see that happening? Okay. It's a little bit breezy. Fold him over. I don't know if it's. Oh, I did this a bit late, didn't I? We'll try again. I don't think it's going to go on this one. That's burning me. Should have tucked it in better, you see. I'm not, because it went so quick, I didn't tuck it in properly. Oh, blood in my hand. That would ignite a fire. I'm making a right mess in the garden here. But you can see that it works fine. I'll have to put more. So I might try a bit more in there. Oh, I did catch me, I burnt myself. Good fun though. Put that piece in, see if we can get that to ignite. Look. Tuck it in. Is that gone? No, it might be a bit there. There we go. Takes a spark really easy, look. There we go. We have fire. We have fire. Look at that. Beautiful. If you enjoyed the vid, give it a thumbs up. Like and subscribe. Subscribe button's over here before I get burnt. Can you see me over here? And I'm going to drop this because it's going to go. Here we go. That's it. Brilliant. Yeah, so if you'd like to, so future videos over here, subscribe buttons over here. If you just give it a thumbs up and a like, that helps the channel a lot. Thanks very much. Take care. And I'm really chuffed. I love it. Sort of like right back to Stone Age, isn't it, virtually? Well, I don't know if it's Stone Age or whatever. Okay, take care. Thank you very much. Bye.